Want to make your Android app smarter without writing extra code? In this video, I'll show you how to add or import any library in Android Studio step by step. Even if you are new to Android development, don't worry. This is super easy. Let's go. In Android development, third-party libraries are external tools or code packages created by developers or companies that you can integrate into your app to save time. These libraries often simplify tasks like network requests, image loading, database management, UI components, and more. So, firstly, go to the Maven repository or GitHub. Search for the library you want. For example, you want to load images, search for Glide. We will write it like as Glide in Android. Enter. Now click on the GitHub link. Scroll down. When you find it, copy the Gradle dependency code. So before moving further, let me go through you what is Gradle. Gradle is a powerful open source build automation tool used in Android development to automate tasks like building, testing, and deploying applications. So now let's open the Android Studio and open our project. So now let's open the Android Studio and open our new project. On the right side, you can see the project directories. Click on Gradle scripts and further select build.gradle.kts file. Open this file and paste the dependency with proper syntax. Now, next step is we need to sync the project. Now click the sync now button at the top right. Android Studio will download the library and set it up for you. Make sure this is that Make sure that this is the most important step. Don't skip it. Now, next is use the library. Once it, you can start using the library in your code. Now, you know how to import any library in Android Studio. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Apptechies and comment below if you need help with anything else. We'll reply fast. Thank you.